Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. I hope you're doing great. Have you ever wondered how to quickly find a value in massive datasets or sort thousands of numbers with just one line of code? Whether you are Python developer, data scientist, or starting out the Numpy series. So today I'm going to explain the concept of searching and sorting operations in Numpy arrays. I hope you will like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please open the Jupyter notebook so that we can write the code. As I already mentioned, today I am going to discuss the concept of searching and sorting. So firstly, we have to import the library and the name of that library is Numpy. Import Numpy as np you have to write here, and after that you have to execute it. And firstly, I am going to talk about the 1D arrays, after that 2D, and lastly 3D arrays. So you have to take one variable x is equal to np dot array, and you can take any value here. Suppose I'm going to take 1 2 3 4, you can take 5 6 7 8 9 10, anything you can take. Okay, now close it. What you have to do here, print function you have to take, and after that you have to write here np dot where. Okay, now x comparison operator we are going to take and x equal to 2 and execute it. It means that suppose if you have to find out the index value of 2, then the index value of 2 will be first. Why? I'm going to explain it. For 1, the index value will be 0. For 2, index value will be first. For 3, index value will be 2. For 4, index value will be 3. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on, so on, so on. So whenever we are going to check whether x is equal to 2, index value of 2 will be what? So it is giving you the index value. I am going to figure it out. The index value for 2 is 1. Suppose in place of 2, I am going to put here 7. Then the index value for the 7 will be for 1 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So output will be 6. Here it is giving the 6 output. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Now coming to the next point, I am going to take one more thing, mathematical operations I am going to take. Suppose this time I am going to take variable x1 is equal to np dot array here, and I am going to take a value, suppose 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, again 10, and print function I am going to use here np dot where. After that x modulo operator I am going to use. For modulo operator I am going to take variable x1 x modulo 2. Whenever we are using modulo operator, it gives the remainder 0. Okay, now we are going to check whenever we are dividing any number by 2, it gives the remainder 2 or not. So it will give the output is equal to 0 here, and now output will be 0 2 4 6 8. Why? 0 is the index value for this 2. Whenever this 2 is divided by 2, it will give the remainder 0. That's the great answer. So 0th index we are getting the remainder 0. After that, in second index, in first index 3 is there. Whenever 3 is divided by 2, it will not give the remainder 0. Then this is cancel out. And moving to the next point, 4 is divided by 2, it will give the remainder 0. This is the also point. So 0th index and the second index. After that, 5, when 5 divided by 2, it will not give the remainder 0. So this will be cancel out. After that, 6 divided by 2, it will give the remainder 0. Very good. Now coming to the next point, 7 divided by 2, it will not give the remainder 0. Cancel out. 8 divided by 2, it will give the remainder 0. Good. So this one 0 2 4 6 and 8. This is the index value of this number. Whenever this number will be divided by 2, it will give the remainder 0. So this is the modulo operator. Now I hope you are getting my point. So coming to the next point, all these things you have to mention it out. So for suppose I'm going to do it for the 2D arrays. 2D array I am going to use it, command A for selecting the whole and command / for commenting out. Coming to the next point, shift enter, you have to use the shortcut key for moving to the next line. Okay, this time I'm going to take 2D arrays, and variable this time I'm going to take xx is equal to np dot array, and this time I'm going to use here, suppose I'm going to 1 2, and for 2D arrays you have to put at starting 2 square bracket here, close it, and again 3 4 and close it. and you have to use the print function, print and p dot where you have to use, and this time xx is equal to compare. We are going to use the compare. So this time I'm going to take 4. Suppose I'm going to take 4 here. Okay, now this gives the output 1 comma 1. Why it is given the array 1 comma 1? It means that so here we have 2 rows. If you want to check the output also, now print xx, you will get the output also. So here we have 2 rows. In first row there is 2 value, there are 2 value 1 2, and the second row we have 2 value 3 4. So if you have to find the index value of 4, then 4 lies in the second row. So the index value of the second row will be the first, because the index value for the first row will be 0, and this one is 3 4, where lies the row index value will be the first. So first, now we have to check it out, that you have to find either 3 or 4. So we are going to find it out, the index value for 4. Now moving to this point, we will move to the columns. So for 3, it lies in the 0th index column, and 4 it lies in the first index column, so it is giving the 1. But if we replace 4 by 3, then it will give the 1 0. Okay, now again moving to the next part. Here suppose I am going to take here comma 5 6 7. Here also I am going to take one more value 10. Here also I am going to take 11. Now this time I am going to find out the index value for the 7. So I am going to replace 3 by 7. 3 by 7. This time it will give the output. Please can you mention in the comment section? This time it will give the output. Look, in first row the value will be 1 to 11. In the second row the value will be 3 4 10. In the third row the value will be 5 6 7. So we have to find the index value for the 7, and in third row the index value will be the index number of that row will be the 2. Firstly it is going to give you the 2, array 2. After that we have to find out the index value for the 7. Now it will count the column index number. For 5 the column index number will be 0. For 6 the column index number will be 1. For 7 the column index number will be the 2. So the output will be, just hold for a second, np dot where, and just hold for a second. Yeah, here I'm missing one thing. Now this time 2 comma 2, you got the output. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. Coming to the next point, 3D arrays. If I'm going to talk about the 3D arrays also, this time I'm going to take the variable c is equal to np dot array here, and this time I'm going to take any value. For showing the 3D arrays you have to mention the 3 square bracket at the beginning. Okay, now 22 I'm going to take, and 33 I'm going to take, 333 I'm going to take, 444 I'm going to take. Now close it, and after that I'm going to take anything here, whatever you want to take, you can take 5 5 7 7 8 8 8 9. Close it. Now print cc. Firstly we have to find out the value, and after that print and print np dot where, np is the alias. This time I'm going to find out the cc comparison operator. It is going to check the index value for the 77. Okay, so I'm going to put here 77 and close it. This time it is going giving 0 1 1. Firstly check out the output. Now whenever we are going to talk about the 3D arrays, firstly you have to mention the 3 axes. In first axis block will be there, so there is only one block, isn't it? In that specific block there are 2 rows. Okay, so if there will be only one block, then the index value for that block will be what? 0. Fine. Here the output is 0. It is fine, right? Now coming to the next point, if we have to find out how many rows inside that block, so there are 2 rows. In first row 22 3 3 3 4 4 is there. In second row 5 5 77 8 8 is there. So we have to find out the index value for the 77, right? We have to find out where is 77. Arey bhai hai kahan pe 77? Okay, now 77 lies in the second row. So for the second row the index number of that row will be the first. So it is giving the row index number. First is there, 1 is there. After that we have to find it out the values index number, column index number. So 55, the index value for the 55 will be 0, 77 1, and 88 is will be 2. We have to find it the index value for the 77. It is giving the 1. So 0 1 1. I hope you understood the concept. It is very nice concept here. Very nice concept. I like the concept. I like the whole concept here. Now I'm going to take one more example. Command A selecting, Command C copy, and Command V pasting if we are using MacBook. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this time this, and here this, and I'm going to take here 333 444. Close it. No, we have this time we will have separate blocks also. Okay, just wait and watch. 66 and 666. Close it. And here you have to mention one more 6, and this time it is giving one first block, and in first block there are two rows, 0th index row and the first index row. So we have to figure it out, the index value for 4 times 6, right? So it is coming into the second row, so it is giving the value output as 1. After that we have to check it out for the column index number. So 66 is in the 0th index number, and 4 times 6 is in the first index number, so it is giving 111 output. I hope you understood the point. I hope you got the point. Okay, now coming to the next point, ladies and gentlemen, and this time I am going to show you how can you do the multiple things. And firstly, for the multiple things, np dot search sorted, I'm going to explain about the np dot search sorted. Okay, I'm going to take one variable x is equal to np dot array, and this time I'm going to take 1 2 3 4 and close it, and print np dot search sorted, and here you have to mention the x 55, output 4. Why 55 will be in the 4th index value? Because first in the 0th index, 2 is in the first index, 3 in the second index, 4 in the third index, and again the 55 is going to add, because after 1 there will be 2, after 2 there will be 3, after 3 there will be 4, after 4 there will be 55, because it will be sorted also. So the index value for the 55 will be 4. So suppose I'm going to put here, I'm going to take one more example, command A and command C I'm going to take, and command B pasting, and this time I'm taking 55 and 66, and this time I'm going to take here in place of 55 56 I'm going to take. Now the index value for 56 will be what? After 1 there will be 2, after 2 there will be 3, after 3 there will be 4, after 4 there will be 55, after 55 there will be 56, because it will be in sorted format. So the index value will be 0 1 2 3 4 5. For this 56 the index value will be 5, so the output will be 5. Suppose I am going to take here in place of 56 I am going to take 99. Now for 99 the index value will be 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. This time the output will be 6. I hope you are getting the concept. Beautiful concept. I like this concept. Now if you want to give the side also, suppose if you have to align in the left side or right side, then what will be the case? I'm going to take one more example, command A, command C, selecting and copying, and command V, pasting if you are using the Mac. Again I am repeating, and this time I am going to take side is equal to double quote left will be there, and it is giving the 6, because this 99 will be fitted in the 6th index value, 6th index number, so it is giving the output 6. Suppose in place of left you are going to write here RIGST, right? Okay, so side you are going to put here right. Again it is showing the 66 only, but 6th index only, but in place of 99 if you have to give 33, then what will be the index value of 33? From the right side, 1 2 3 4, and after that 33, so the output will be 4 will be the output. Okay, and command A, command Z, command A, command C, and here command V. Now this time I'm going to take in place of right I'm going to take left. Okay, so it is giving the 4 only. In place of 33 I'm mentioning here 44. and it is giving the 4. So from the left side it will be in the sorted format and it is going to give you the index value. And whenever you are moving from the right side also, firstly it will be sorting the values, after that it will give the index value. I hope you are getting the concept. It is beautiful concept. Okay, so one of the most beautiful concept and my favorite concept. So you can do one more thing also, command A, command C, and this time command V. And here suppose I am going to take var is equal to 77 or 77, or in place of 44 here you have to mention here var. Okay, var. Now this time also you will get the sixth index value. Why sixth index value? Because for 1 the index value will be 0, for 2 1, for 3 2, for 4 3, 55 4, 66 5, and after 66 in the sorted format, after 66 there will be 777. So the index value for the 777 will be 6th. The index value for the 777 will be the 6th. After 66 there will be 777. I hope you are getting my point. So this is the beautiful concept. Till here everything is clear. No. Now this time I'm going to use the sort. This time I'm going to use the sort, and I'm going to take, firstly I'm going to take number x is equal to np dot array here, sorry, a double r a o y array here, and I'm going to take number 1 2 3 4 55 44 33 77 33 77. Close it. Now print np dot sort, print np dot sort and x. So you got the sorted format, right? 1 2, after 3 there will be 33, after 33 there will be 44, after 44 there will be 77, after 77 there will be 455. So this is in the sorted format. Now you can ask me for, it is for the integer only. So if you have to sort, if you have to use the sorting method for the string also, can we use it? Definitely we can use it for the string also. Suppose I'm going to take variable y is equal to np dot array here, and this time I'm going to take aman. After aman bamboo I'm going to take bamboo. After bamboo I'm going to take doggy. After doggy I'm going to take anything. I'm going to take catty Perry, catty. After that I'm going to take L, and again I'm going to take I'm going to take I. So firstly we have to print yy. After that I'm going to use the sort method, print np dot sort this. Firstly aman will be there because aman started from the a later, after that b will be there, after that c later will be there, d later, I and l. It has been sorted. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. So all these things happening right here, command a, command c. And one task I'm going to give you, for if you are applying the sorting method for the integer value now, so it is sorted in the ascending order. Suppose if you have to sort it in the descending order, so how can you do that? Please mention in the comment section if you know the answer. Okay, otherwise I will solve the problems in the next video. So command v, and this time I'm going to take only a, b and d, c, l, this time e. So yeah, I hope you got the answer. So this is the beautiful concept. You can do the searching and sorting for all these things. Okay, for 1D arrays also, 2D arrays also, and 3D arrays also. So I hope you like the concept. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for giving your time.